Today we're going to be making turon, which is a Filipino sweet dessert with banana and jackfruit wrapped in a spring roll wrapper. Think of it as like a Filipino strudel. Let's get started. I love turon, and if you've never had the experience of tasting both banana and jackfruit at the same time, here's your chance. I'm using burro bananas, but you can use any other banana in this recipe, as long as it's sweet. When ripe, burro bananas have a sweeter and creamier taste that I like better compared to the common banana. Although fresh jackfruit tastes amazing, it can be difficult to find sometimes. You can opt for canned jackfruit, which is more easily accessible. For the wrapper, use any egg roll wrapper you can find. I always buy this particular brand because it's the brand my grandma uses. Turon is usually sprinkled with extra sugar inside the wrapper and outside the wrapper, but for a healthier version, I'll use agave syrup. If your banana and jackfruit are overripe, you can actually omit the added sugar altogether. Turon is typically deep fried to get a beautiful crispy golden texture. For a healthier option, we will fry with just enough oil to get a crispy enough wrapper. I'm using avocado oil for its healthy fats and high smoke point. The wrapper will be more delicate when it gets wet, and since we're using agave syrup, work fast to fry these, or else your wrapper will start to tear like mine did. I sneakily got rid of the one that ripped open so you don't have to keep looking at it. While you get a satisfying crunch when frying it up, baking or toasting can achieve similar results. It won't require oil, which means less calories in your turon. Toast it for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side until the wrapper starts browning. Time for a taste test. At first look, the fried version has a more uniform golden color throughout, but both wrappers were able to achieve that crispy texture. The difference is really noticeable in the filling. The jackfruit and banana was well cooked in the fried version, like a mashy fruit pie filling. The fruits in the toasted version, though, they tasted more fresh, barely cooking at all in the toaster. I could go either way, but given to me side by side, I'd rather have the fried version. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next cooking video.